Loving with the building with the Phillips. With the Phillips.
Hey guys, how are you today? Today we're here with Miss Leanne, one of the projects that we finished. And today we're going to ask Miss Leanne a couple questions. The first question is going to be, Miss Leanne, how did you hear about Phill's Home Construction?
Well, my best friend had a huge project done, and it's just gorgeous. And so it just was a no-brainer for me to use the same company that did that beautiful work, and everything's been great.
The next question is, what was the process like for you with Phill's Home Construction creating this beautiful kitchen for you?
The process, we were in the middle of COVID, but the process was very smooth. The construction got started. It was a huge project. They had to take out some walls here, and it was really easy for us. We have a trailer in the backyard, and we just got out of their way, and they did all the demolition, and Phill did. And the biggest problem was waiting for our ordered appliances to come in, but that had nothing to do with the contracting of this job. When everything came in, all of the subcontractors were wonderful. They did beautiful work. Anytime there was a question, always got a good answer, and it was always everything was taken care of. Pretty much it was a very pleasant experience for us. Follow through on this project was fantastic. We had no problems with the actual work that was being done, but after the project was completed, I discovered I had a huge leak in my Florida room roof, and it was all funneling into my brand spanking new kitchen. I had water flowing out of the overhead lights. I had a flood sitting on top of my new stove. All of those problems, when I asked Marlon about it, he came over, looked at the roof, made some suggestions. He recommended a roofer, and I've finally been able to get that taken care of. We haven't had any rain yet, so I don't know. I haven't had proof that it's fixed, but I'm pretty darn sure it is.
Congratulations to Miss Leanne Marshman. The pictures that we're holding up was submitted in our NARI Cardi Award. And what that is a association where all the major contractors submit their work, and you know, I feel so awesome about this because we actually won, you know, which is awesome.
I'm absolutely overjoyed for winning this award. I was so happy with the kitchen to begin with. I had no idea we would be getting an award on top of it, but it's been just such a wonderful experience for me, and to have an award on top of that is icing on the cake.
Loving with the building with the Phillips.